My name is Saniyah Salman. I'm an STP senior at Habib University. I'm also a student representative for the upcoming Aamozish-e-Tehqeeq conference. The conference theme is climate change, gender and conflict, and we are looking to see how all of these three aspects are coming together, influencing people's lives, especially the marginalized genders and women. I'm also serving as the editor-in-chief for the Tezhib Undergraduate Research Journal. Selected papers from the conference will be published in the special edition of Tezhib. What's interesting about this conference is that it not only caters to undergraduate researchers, but also activists, civil rights groups, practitioners and policymakers. So it is a place where all of these people can come together, share their knowledge. The conference is taking place at Habib University on the 8th and 9th of March. You can register yourself to be part of this conference by visiting the link